examining all those aspects.
State PHE Minister Ragnithan Lindor has informed that the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme or GSWSS would be completed within this year. The project received a major boost after the state government recently sanctioned an additional amount of 65 crore rupees to ensure that the project is completed on time. The GSWSS Phase 3 is expected to mitigate the water woes being faced by the residents of Shillong. The project was initially scheduled to be completed in June this year. The project was approved by the Union Government at a cost of 193.50 crore rupees in October 2008 with a completion deadline of May 2011. The objective of this project was to create infrastructure to provide for the supply of additional 24 million litres of water to the projected population of Shillong urban agglomeration from 2011 to 2041. Health Minister James Sangma today inaugurated a biological waste